So what's up guys, and welcome to another very wonderful episode of Prime's Money. So today we are just going to be doing an arbitrage just like the one we did before, but this time we are going to be trying it out with propeller ads. I remember this idea or this content was suggested by one of my followers, and he said he told me this about to do this in the comment region for about I think a month ago, and I just went ahead, researched on the platform, tried to know more about the platform. Yeah, but the reviews I saw online about them was I don't even know what to say about it, but they were bad. But we are not judging them by that yet because we are going to try them out by ourselves. But though some people have compared this platform and saying it is Google alternative, but from what I saw, I wouldn't say that yet. I wouldn't say that. All we just have to do now is test this platform out with a bot traffic. So we are going to be buying traffic from Popcash and then seeing how we can make profit with Propeller ads. So without any further ado guys, let's just jump right in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to hit the like and the notification bell so that you help promote this video more and more and more to other audiences. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So today we are just going to be using the platform called Propeller Ads. So first thing you want to do is come to this website right here. After coming there, if you don't have an account, just click on sign up. After you click on sign up, all you just have to do then is follow the required this thing here. Open a publisher's account. Remember, open a publisher's account. Yep, not this, no, this. So after doing that, just follow the protocols and then log in. So let's go down and let me log into my own publisher's account. So this is just exactly how your dashboard is going to look like. And remember, I told you at the beginning of this video that I actually did run an ad in this platform before now and try to see just a 1 day kind of ads. I saw the result. I wasn't happy with it. I just had to cut the ads off immediately. So let me show you that was done last month. So let me click last month, and here it is. You can see that on the 14th I had just one impression. I spent about $1 for this, and on the 15th I had 713 impression, but you can see my profit was nothing and my CPM was nothing. I don't know where it's coming from, whether it's from the platform or whether it's from Popcash, but I know it's not from Popcash because we've used Popcash before and it can't be from them. So before we do this, let me show you guys this, but let's jump right into the video and create something that's going to stay for a longer period of time. So first thing you want to do is come to direct link and create a link. All you just have to do is add link, put it a name, and get tag. Immediately your link will be given to you, and these are the two links I created. So let's just use one. So I'm just going to copy this right here. I'm going to copy that, and then that's all we need from this platform. And then we'll come back to Popcash. If you don't know how to open a Popcash account, just look up there. You see a card, move right there. You see a full video of how we started this with Adstera, and I think I did some things there that has to do with opening a Popcash account. So just go ahead and watch that video. Then all we got to do now is just, if you've opened your account, come to campaign. Yep, there you can see I have about $1.69 inside. Yep, I tried depositing today, but it wasn't going through. I didn't know why. So I'm going to add funds later on into the account to prolong this for about 3 days or 4 days, and let's see how it goes. But for now, let's just start the campaign with the $1.69 that's in here. So I want to click on create campaign. I want to click on create campaign. I want to give this campaign a name. Let's call it propeller ads. Then I want to put in our direct link. We're going to hit in http store and then control V. There we go. Then next we want to put our budget, and we'll put it at 1.68, not 1.69, and we'll make our daily budget at 0.83, and our bid will be at, you remember all this, 0.0002. that will be 20 cents per 1,000 impression. That's how much we pay for per 1,000 impression. So next will be, we need 2 visits per 24 hours, meaning one person can visit this website just twice in 24 hours. So next, we don't know if it's a gambling, we don't know, because we didn't allow that or set that when we're doing this. So now we just have to select the country, and I think I will go for South Africa because the people I used last time and they were quite good. Go for South Africa, put it in there. Maybe as time goes on I might add another country, but for now let's go with South Africa since we are sure of them more. I'll advise that if you haven't watched the video of Adstera and Popcash, you should go ahead and watch it. I'm leaving the card up there again. So we'll just go ahead and then click on create campaign. Yep. Let's just allow that load for a moment, and boom, our campaign has been created. So we just have to allow this spending right now. I have to allow it, let them approve it, and then our ads has begun. So what we are just going to be wait for right now, we are going to wait for our statistics. We are going to wait for the impressions that are going to be coming in here. I'm going to be seeing the profit we've made, the CPM. So if we don't see that, if I don't see anything good in the next 3 days, I'm going to cut down. I'm just going to shut down the ads from what I saw before. But I'm hoping and I'm praying that it was just because that was the first time, and let something good come out. So see you in the next video where I'm going to be seeing everything and analyzing our whole result from day 1 to day 4. This is going to be a 4 days ads, and I'm just going to be spending $3 on this. I'm not going to be spending that much. I'm going to be spending just $3, which means I'm going to be imputing more money into my Popcash as the day goes by, and then we are going to be spending $3 on this. So anyhow guys, watch out for the next video, and thank you once again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love this video and hit that notification bell. Thanks guys.